So it's the winter solstice at Sacred Circle Homestead, and we've had a day of about 50-degree weather. Yesterday was about 45 degrees and it rained all day, so now everywhere looks like this. All thawed, no snow on the first day of winter. So we're trying to propagate some red currants here. We have a lot of cuttings to put in the ground, and the ground was a little frozen. So what we did here was we just broad forked it a little bit and loosened it up, and then took a digging fork and kind of loosened it a little bit more. And we didn't till it up or anything. So we're just gonna take some red currant cuttings and stick them in the ground, and hopefully they take. If not, then it's not really that big of a deal. These bushes needed to be trimmed anyway, needed to be pruned anyway, so it's not really much of a loss if they don't take. No reason why they shouldn't. So we're gonna try it out. Nice and green on the inside, so that shows that the plant is still alive. Say hi to the ducks. They're having fun with all the green grass that's still here and still hanging in there, so they're getting their fill. Thanks for watching.